Hello everyone, and welcome to the D-Pad. Tonight we're going to be playing some Super Smash Bros. Melee on our way to collect 100% trophy completion, and I thought, what better way to kick it all off than one of that brand new cocktail. Now if you're going to make this for yourself, you're going to need 4 ingredients: vodka, coffee liqueur, grenadine syrup, and good old-fashioned milk. Please do not make this if you are not old enough to drink, and if you are, then please drink responsibly. Oh, and we'll also need a shot glass for measurements. First, mix in 1 1/2 shots of vodka. Then match that with 1 1/2 shots of coffee liqueur. Be sure to keep your workspace clean, you absolute caveman. Take a moment to observe that the volume is looking a little bit too high for what you were expecting. Add 2 shots of milk. Followed up with a splash of grenadine. Locate your nearest table's spoon and stir. Verify on closer inspection that the drink has not apparently turned very pink. Remove 1/3 of the drink by whichever means you deem necessary. Once more space is available, add 1 more shot of milk, followed by 1 shot of grenadine. Locate the forsaken spoon and stir again. Note that the drink is substantially pinker, even if it looks a bit brown under a cell phone flashlight. Give in a moment of weakness and verify that yes, your shot glass is indeed much larger than you thought. Promise to do better next time and drink the milk for strong bones. Et voila, the pink puffball. Bon appetit!